My dear friends, today I am uploading this video of phacoemulsification surgery in grade 3 nuclear sclerosis cataract cases. After making both sides side port, inject 0.6% trypan blue dye and wait for 6 to 10 seconds. This time is enough to stain the anterior lens capsule. Now inject 2% hydroxypropyl methylcellulose and now do the Rexis. This surgery is under topical anesthesia. See how I am making a Rexis. First make a scratch incision and lift the one flap and apply the shearing forces to tear the lens capsule and thus make the continuous curvilinear capsular axis. Now make the triplanar or biplanar main port by using 2.8 steel keratome. After making the main port, do the hydro procedures. Hydrodissection and hydrodelineation. Now inject again 2% HPMC and then rotate the nucleus. This free rotation of the nucleus indicates there is no any corticocapsular adhesions. Spread some HPMC over the corneal surface so as to enhance the visibility. Now get ready for emulsification. In this case, I am using power 60 flow-rate 70 and vacuum is 250. In US1 mode, first emulsify some superficial cortex and then make a trench. Dear friends, I am doing modified direct chop technique. In this case, first I have emulsified some superficial cortex, then making a trench of sufficient depth. After making the trench, now rotate the nucleus in about 45 degree. Then go to the US2 mode where we hold the nucleus with the help of vacuum and then try to chop the nucleus. In this case, we could not succeed to make a proper chop, but we have divided the nuclear pieces into multiple fragments. Again rotate it, embed the phaco tip, hold the nucleus and then chop it. Try to do multiple chops. After making multiple chops, hold one piece of nucleus, bring it from periphery to center and then emulsify. One piece is now emulsified. Again hold the another piece, bring it from periphery to the center and then emulsify it. Always use phaco energy at right time when you are emulsifying the nuclear pieces. Unnecessary use of phaco energy will damage the corneal endothelium. Now, while you are emulsifying the last piece, try to go into the US3 mode where the vacuum is slightly less. Say about lesser than the US2 mode. Now inject 2% HPMC and after emulsifying the all quadrants, remove the cortex by using bimanual irrigation aspiration cannula or Synco cannula. We can use coaxial also. Dear friends, always keep in your mind while removing the cortex, your aspiration tip should face anteriorly. Inject some HPMC, spread it over the corneal surface and then again remove the cortex. Don't leave any cortical fiber inside the AC and always do the hydropolish after removing the cortex. This is what I am doing is hydropolish. A jet of fluid wave is going over the capsular surface. Now inject 2% HPMC and then implant the IOL. In this case, I am implanting CT Lucia manufactured by Carl Zeiss. This is very good IOL. Inject or implant the IOL in such a way that the leading haptics go into the back and that the trailing haptics. Dear friends, here I would like to say there is no any financial interest, but the lens is of course very good. Now wash the HPMC thoroughly. Again, don't leave HPMC inside the AC. Try to go backside of the lens and remove the HPMC like this. After removing the HPMC, then inject 0.1 ml moxifloxacin and wash it thoroughly. This is, we can say, final lavage. Thank you very much for watching this video.